Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be applying lashes. I'm going to be showing you in detail how to apply false lashes. I feel like when you apply lashes you go from like a 8 or like a 7 to like a 15, a 20 maybe, you know, like it depends on the lash type. The more dramatic the lash, the more dramatic the look. That's why I'm always doing like dramatic lashes. I love dramatic lashes, but I'm actually really feeling these lashes. I feel like they look very cute, very flirty, and it's very simple, nothing too dramatic. So if you are a beginner in wearing lashes, these would be perfect for you. They give you like a nice cat eye effect, and it also makes you look like you're doing a wing liner also. I literally have nothing but like eyeshadow, a little bit of brown, like nude eyeshadow. That's the only thing I'm wearing, and I feel like my makeup looks complete. I feel like if I don't have lashes on, my makeup doesn't look complete, and I don't like the finished look. So yeah, it's 2020, ladies, and we're trying to step your makeup game up. So just continue to watch this video so you can, you know, transform. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up and turn your bell notifications on so you can see every time I post. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. So the first thing you're gonna need is a pair of tweezers. I got these from my local beauty supply store. I believe they were like $5. But you could get any size tweezer. I prefer these, and they look like this. So I do suggest that you get a nice pair of tweezers and just kind of like stretch them out a little, just so that when you're applying your lashes, it doesn't give you any issues when you're actually clamping. You also need some mascara. So you just coat your lashes with some mascara before putting your lashes on. And then of course, you do need a pair of lashes. So I got these lashes from a beauty supply store, and they are $3.99. So if you know me, you know I'm always doing a wing liner, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it without, just so you can see how close I am to my lash line and just get a better understanding of how to put the lash on. Okay, so the mascara that I'm using today is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effects. And then the next item that you would need is a mirror, so you can actually look when you're putting your lashes on. And we're just doing one coat of mascara. So it really doesn't matter what mascara you use, as long as it's black, just like your lashes, or whatever color your lashes are, the mascara should match. And it doesn't matter. Oh, and you need a pair of scissors, just in case, well, in most cases, you do have to cut your lashes. So yeah, they do make it a little bit longer, just so you're able to customize it to your own eye, because everybody's eyes either look wider or bigger, smaller. And like I said, they look like this. Pretty simple for me, especially because, you know, I like my 25 millimeters, but for this video, I'm gonna just do these to keep it simple. So the first thing you wanna do is you want to measure your lash to make sure that it's gonna fit your eye shape, because that is a crucial part. If it's too long, then it's gonna make your eye look droopy. And then if it's too small, obviously it's gonna make your eye look really weird. So I measured my lash, and now I'm gonna be cutting it. And I only cut from the end of the lash. I never cut from the beginning because it's always shorter in the front. So you see how there's like a little piece of the band in the very front of the lashes? You want to cut that off. So you want it to look just like this. I'm using the I Envy Strip Lash Adhesive, and this is in the color black. That's the only one I use. because I feel like the clear ones, they dry white, and I don't know, it always makes my under eye look crusty. So now we're gonna apply the lash glue, and you want to put enough on there so it can last all day. It'll be a lot easier to apply when you hold it directly in the center. Holding it either ends will definitely give you more problems. So when you are gonna apply your lash, you want to make sure that your mirror is right below your chin, and then I can see exactly what I'm doing and where the lash is supposed to be. And my mirror is right here, it's down. You're holding it in the middle, and then you just place the lash right on top. And then you just fix both ends of the lashes and make sure it's sticking. And your lash is on. And it makes such a huge difference. I don't know, it just makes your eye look a little bit sexier, a little bit more sultry. I love lashes. Oh my god. And now I kind of look like I have a winged liner on. Tell me not. I definitely look like I have a nice little cat eye right now. I'm really liking this. Ooh. The final step would be to make sure that your lashes are completely secure. So you want to go this way and just squeeze it together with your actual lashes, because you don't want to poke yourself in the eye. If you're nervous about using the tweezers to clamp your lashes together to secure them, you can also use your fingers if you want to. So that is it for this how to apply false lashes video. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would really like to know if this technique worked for you, because it's been working for me for years. Lashes are a big part of our makeup routine. If we're not doing it, we're basically half finishing our face. I feel like my face is never complete if I don't have lashes on. So yeah, for 2020 guys, we're stepping our lash game up, we're stepping our makeup game up. Thank you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate it. The channel is growing. I'm excited for the journey to come, so just make sure that you're on that journey with me and just subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.